how to clean Drive C files. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to my computer, or this computer that is, and Windows 10 and above. So you click on this computer and you locate your Drive C. You right click on it and you go to properties, locate disk cleanup, you click on it. So here you go through and you select these styles. So recycle bin, temporary files, and maybe if you have download files that you may not need at the moment, you can clear it. So for me, I'm gonna need my downloaded files. That's why I downloaded them. So after that, then you click on okay. It says, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, I'm perfectly sure. So within few seconds, it will clean it up for you. But we are not done. As I said, I'm the boss of bonuses. All right. Hit on Windows key plus R and type in this %10%. And hit on enter. Now, these are also temporal files. So let's also delete it. You may have issues with them while deleting because these files might be in the process or they are working at the moment. So you just have to skip it. Skip. Do this for all current items. All right. Last thing that we need to do, last but one, Windows key plus R. And now we are going to clear the percentage at both sides and hit on OK again. Now these are also temporal files. Control A to select, hit on delete on your keyboard to delete. And voila, within few seconds, the same thing, you just have to skip because these are system files or Adobe files. You cannot delete them. The last thing is to go to the recycle bin and empty it. And you go check your Drive C to see if it was or it has gained some space. So this is what I have for you today. If you have had value in this video, please don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and comment. But before you go, check out this video here. Adios.